Hi all, welcome to my channel, welcome to my world, it's the world of Wayne, and we have got the first of one of Mike Lane's mods. We know we're going to get loads of these for 141 issues of Eagle Mods and Hero Collectors Build the Ecto-1. But for this one, Mike Lane has come up with a replacement for the hood vents. Okay, before we open this pack, I'll leave Mike Lane's details down there so you can go over to the website and you'll be able to get these for yourself. Just looking at them, they look amazing. But I will unbox them, but I just want to give you a little bit of history around about the bonnet of the Ecto-1. So, a long time ago, we had the trial version, which looked exactly like this. And as you can see, unlike the other one, it's white underneath, and it's actually bigger. So if I bring over the one that we are working on at the moment and just put these edges together here, you can see there's a difference here in the depth of it, and if I hold it over the top here, you can see that it's smaller as well. So this one never had any vents on at all, as you can see on the close-up camera there. So they didn't even put the vents in, so obviously that was an afterthought that, you know, perhaps actually we should be putting these vents in. Now these vents, they do look okay, but these screw holes are absolutely, I mean, it's just apparent that they're giant screws in there. Also, a lot of people have been having problems breaking the tops off of these screws, which is never good. So what we're going to do is take these out and put Mike Lane's mod into place. So the first thing we're going to have to do is unscrew them. So let's get these out, and hopefully when they come out, they're not going to snap off. I didn't actually put them in that tight, so they should come out nice and easy. That's two. Get this one out. Three. And last but not least, four. I just know that someone out there who isn't getting the mod is going to say to me, Wayne, can I have your old screws? You just know that's going to happen. Anyway, so we'll get this one off as well. Just put that to one side for a minute, and there you go. There's the old ones out. Now if you look at the bottom of the old ones, we've got some pins in here. These are in line with each other, and these are offset. That is important because when we replace them with Mike Lane's ones, he's got pins in, and they go a specific way on the engine. So you've got ones which are staggered here, and these which are in line. So you're going to need to remember that when we're actually putting Mike Lane's mod in. So let's put that to one side, and we'll open up the packet here from Mike Lane. Now once again, Mike always puts the instructions in here exactly what to do, and there's the vents there. So let's get this open. As you can see, I haven't even opened it yet, so this is the first time for me, but Mike has gave me some tips which I'm going to teach you through as we put these in. Let's get this one out as well. I'm being very gentle with them, and we'll open these up. It's going to be a very quick fit, this one will, and as you can see, they come in two separate bags. One is labelled R, and as you can see, these are the ones with the pins in line. And then we've got the ones labelled L for left, and these are the ones that are offset. And the instructions there are simply take the adhesive backing on and put it in place. But there are some extra points that you're going to need to do when you put these in. So firstly, just make sure the area is clean, which I'm just doing here. That looks lovely. And then the first one we're going to put in, I think, will be, let's have a look, the right one. Now the right one will be going into here. It's right as you look at it from the front of the vehicle. And as you can see, you've got some pins on there. And I'm just going to do a dry fit just to see where this is going to fit. And it's going to fit just like that in there. As you can see, there's no screw holes now. We've just got some rivets. As a matter of fact, if I just go really close with my top camera there. There we go. Look, as you can see, you haven't got any screw holes now. It's just rivets on that. As a matter of fact, let's just show you the whole thing. Because what we're going to do is we're going to take the backing off of this. The backing's very tacky, so we need to line it up correctly first before we put it in, and then it's just going to drop into place just like that. So that's why I'm doing a quick practice on it. The other thing is, when we press it down, we want to make sure that we're not pushing down directly on top of the vents, because you're at risk of breaking them. So just tap it round the edges here to get it in place. It is super tacky, so when it goes down, it's not going to go anywhere. So we'll get this off, put this into place. Just like this. I'm lining up one end of the rivet first. Get it into place. Just like that. And then, as I said, I'm pushing it in just around the outside there. Like that. And that, I'll zoom back out again, is the first one in. Simples, huh? So we do the same with the left one. Get this out. I'm going to give it a trial fit first, just so I know what I'm doing. That's like that. Obviously, it can't go in the other way. You can only put it in one way, so don't worry about the direction the vents are meant to be pointing, because it's obviously telling you there as well. And then once again, we're going to take the backing off. Just like that. Nice and simple, huh? Again, line up that first pin, just like that. It will drop in on its own, and again, just gently push it round the outside. And that is the 2 vents in place. Nice simple mod, but what an impactful mod that is, huh? So once again, Mike Lane comes through, and every time I see one of Mike Lane's mods, or they come through the post, and you've got this little sticker on here in silver which says Mike Lane, always get a smile to my face, because you know it's going to be something special. But head on over to Mike Lane's link down here. Check these out for yourself. I'm sure this is going to be one of many for this build, as I said. But I'm impressed. I really do hope you like that video. If you did, please remember to give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, please remember to subscribe. Other than that, take care.